Let's talk about a really important word for being polite in Chinese, 您. Think of it as the respectful you. It's a fantastic word to know, but there is one specific rule you need to remember when addressing more than one person. Let's break it down so you can use it perfectly. 您 is the polite way to say you to a person. You use it to show respect, so it's perfect for when you're talking to older people, teachers, your boss, guests, or anyone you want to show extra courtesy to, especially when you first meet them. The character itself is a great hint. It's 你 on top of 心, the character for heart. It's like you're speaking to someone from the heart. Let's take a look at some examples. 您请坐. Please sit down. 您请坐. 老师您好. Hello, teacher. 老师您好. 请问您是老师吗? Excuse me, are you a teacher? 请问您是老师吗? 您想喝点什么? What would you like to drink? A polite way a waiter might ask. 您想喝点什么? 请问您叫什么名字? Excuse me, what is your name? A formal way to ask a respected person. 请问您叫什么名字? 您身体好吗? How is your health? A nice, respectful way to greet an elder. 您身体好吗? 您想买什么? What would you like to buy? How a shopkeeper might speak to a customer. 您想买什么? 太谢谢您了. Thank you so much. A more formal and heartfelt way to say thanks. 太谢谢您了. 您先说吧. Please, you speak first. A polite way to yield the floor in a conversation. 您先说吧. Here is a logical rule that actually doesn't apply. You might think if 你 becomes 你们 in the plural, then 您 should become 您们, but this is not the case. The form 您们 is not used in standard Chinese, so you should avoid using it. Here's why. Many language experts believe that the word 您 actually came from merging the plural word 你们 together. So, in a way, it already has the idea of plural baked into its history. That's why you can't add another plural marker to it. If you can't say 您们, what do you do when you need to be polite to a group of people? You have two options. The first way is to use 你们 with a respectful tone. This is the most common solution. You just use the regular plural you and show your respect through your polite phrasing and friendly tone. Let's now take a look at some examples. 你们好. Hello, everyone. Perfect for starting a presentation. 你们好. 请问你们是医生吗? Excuse me, are you doctors? Adding 请问 makes it polite. 请问你们是医生吗? 你们想喝点什么? What would all of you like to drink? Great for talking to a group of guests. 你们想喝点什么? 你们看，这是北京. Everyone, look, this is Beijing. What a tour guide might say. 你们看，这是北京. 你们明天都来学校吗? Are you all coming to school tomorrow? A teacher asking students politely. 你们明天都来学校吗? The second way to address a group of people in a polite way is to use their title plus men. This is a very clear and respectful way to address a group, especially when they share a title. Let's take a look at some examples. 老师们好. Hello, teachers. 老师们好. 同学们，请坐. Classmates, please sit down. 同学们，请坐。朋友们，我们吃饭吧。Friends, let's eat. 朋友们，我们吃饭吧。先生们，请进。Gentlemen, please come in. 先生们，请进。So, let's summarize what we have learned. There are 3 rules to remember. First, we use 您 to show respect to one person. Second, we never say 您们, it doesn't exist. And third, to be polite to a group, we just use 你们 with a nice tone or call them by their title like 老师们. If you can remember these simple rules, you'll sound much more natural and polite when you speak Chinese.